Hello class, I'm Olivia Nguyen. I am gonna do my presentation today. I'm Olivia Nguyen. I came here with my family 2 years ago. I'm Vietnamese. We for study and living. I'm an ambitious person. That means I want to succeed in life and succeed in my career too. But that's over my ability. I mean, one person only do one thing at a time. So sometimes that's give me a lot of stress and I cannot focus on one thing, but I have the ability to manage multitask. I'm an outgoing person. I like people. I like talking with people. So I'm kind of friendly. Uh, so I'm a foodie too because I'm love traveling. Every time I come to that state, I'm trying the good food there. How do you see my family? My family is quite complicated. I have a huge family including relatives. I used to love them a lot because with my small family have 5 people, but most of us has mm, like my mom have a lot of siblings, so that reason why I have a lot of cousins and relatives, and we grow up with them. We have fun to yeah, but sometimes it's complicated because well, with a lot of kids get together, we fighting, sometimes we arguing, sometimes. So uh, sometimes we grow up, the older compare our achievement together, so that sometimes make our relationship heartbreak. But the thing is, they want to good for us. Um, but we separate now. It's much better. But we usually we still like take care of each other, love each other. That's the thing I love about my family. The place where I feel most at home. To me, the way where I feel most comfortable after my house is my best friend house. That's kind of weird, right? But yes, I spend time in her place as much as my place. We live together for during the college time, but because we were friends when she was teenager, when we were just grade 6. That's very my best friend. I be friend with her too many years. Can be a sister. When I was kids, every time when my mom cannot find me anywhere, she know where I can find me. That's my friend's house. To me, I'm so thankful because I have a very good and loyal friend like her. And person that caused me greatest joy is I see the people who have the same visions like churches or middle friends. Like there I can find the people who have the same vision with me. I do like Sunday because I have time to connect with my church friend and ask them how to do their life going, and we help each other, we care each other, and we have middle friends and open networking, so people like help me help each other and be friends and have fun with. It's quite a sad because pandemic happened, we cannot gather anymore. An event that caused my greatest pain. Yeah, as you see in the picture, that's mostly my sister and my brother. The thing is, my sister not an old sister, so they and my brother too. So two of them usually cause mom crazy, and then who people gonna suffer them? This must be me. Yeah, but sometimes they all don't open me too, and they always try to make me crazy too. So we used to fighting when we were kids with my sister, and and I always late because of them. My brother and my sister, I always be late because of them. They used to be a troublemaker, but when after I get sick, I'm a troublemaker now. So two of them have to take care of me now. It's really good. People most important to me is my mom and my aunt. Yeah, my mom is the people who wear the purple dress in the picture, and my aunt is the people who wear the who with the orange one next right next to her. That because my mom have a lot of siblings, 5 siblings, but the last aunt is people who take care of family the most when my dad's not home. She tried to help us. People who so without her, I don't think I can finish school or grow up, because in Vietnam, if you have no money, you cannot go to school or survival. That would be really, really bad situation. Like bad system, not bad system. It's just not complete system. So if you want to study, if you want to do some anything, you have to pay everything. Nothing is free. So without her, all of us might be maybe just maybe could be homeless or something. What's my greatest fear? Yeah, a lot of people's fear about scary about horror, the ghost, something. I'm scared too, but the thing I scare the most is losing people who I love. Yeah, so I have grown up with my last grandma from my dad's side. She stayed with us when we had trouble, so she took care of us. We took care of each other. When my mom and my dad is busy, when I went to college, she's passed away, and I have been upset for a long time. And my first dog was kidnapped after that too. That's caused me to be depressed for a long time. I'm so upset at that time. I two people who I love the most just give forward from me. The I know recently my grandpa passed away too, but that's really a sad time too. And pandemic, I cannot fly back to see them in the furrow. But he's all of them still here in our heart. What's making me the most angry is noisy and messy. You see, I can bear it too noisy. I'm sensitive with the sound, so that reason why it's got me crazy. Is it hard to go to sleep or focus on something with too noisy environment? That's when I need to study or sleep. So that reason why I need quiet time. That reason why I love library the most. I'm not too organized, but I hate everything so messy that I can't find my stuff. The stuff must be at the place where I put it, so that next time I can find it easily. What would you like to change about yourself? The thing I want to change about myself is want to stay positive, working harder, and make it happen. I have a goal, I have a big dream, but I want me more positive, work harder, and get the achievement I want to. What curses have occurred in my life? These when I was 24, I think. I lost everything in life. Yes, there's a lot of everything in life. And this caused me depressed. At that time, I break up with my fiance. I think at that time I'm kind of curious. I'm too like kid, so we arguing and we separate. We just break up, and I came and I lose my job. I lose my job. I want the most, and I want I I lose the job. failed the exam to the master class, I just feel so everything I'm proud of. The thing I love, the people who I love is go away. Oh, my best friend it betrayed me. They was one of my best friend, but my boyfriend used to date with one of my boyfriend, one of my ex-boyfriend. I mean, it's like not that, but the thing is they not really love each other. That she just want to win me, and I feel like betrayal. Um, so at that time I lost everything. I lost the faith with people who I love, with I lost the faith with a lot of people close to me. So and the thing I achieved the most work job, I along like that too. So that's when I feel it's so crazy. I got depression, I got anxiety, and I used to suicide. But at that time, I just feel like nobody's by my side, nobody's stand by me, even my mom. But you know, but luckily, I still have my sister stand next to me. We take each other, and thank God at that time he make open for us have another chance, another way. My uncle sponsored us to United States, so for all of us have a chance to have a better future. For all of us can have a good education and a better future. My strong point. I'm an outgoing person, so that I'm easy to talk to, kind of friendly. I can cook and I can cook well. I'm a hardworking people and I can learn fast. Yes, I can learn fast. That reason why sometimes make me get bored easily. But I know my weakness, so I'm trying to fix it.